This is Swiss Tech Utili-Key, a 6-in-1 multi-tool. As a demonstration of the performance of its screwdriver, here is my metronome, and I will take apart its clip. There. And screw it back. It's nice. And the performance of its bottle opener. Good. And for the performance of the flat screw, here's a cookingware cover. I will loosen the connection between the handle and the glass. And now it's loose. And I will tighten it back. Good. And for the demonstration of the performance of its micro-sized screwdriver, here's a cassette tape. I will loosen one of its screws. It's becoming loose. It's now really loose. There. Nice job. And I will screw it back. It's done. Now let's test the sharpness of its serrated knife blade. Here is a thick rubber tube. It's working. It is now this deep, almost halfway. It passed. Good job. And for the straight knife blade, easy. And testing it on a thicker material, well done. Utili-Key is compact, small in size, just 7 centimeters long, and it's lightweight, just 14 grams. It is convenient to bring. I keep it in my wallet. It's been with me all these years. If it's not in my wallet, it's together with